Oh, so we came across the car show going on. Take a look around. Got a Musquart, unstock pickup. Corvette. There's an old Mustang. Ooh. Oh. Oh, look at that.
Can I have your attention, please? We have 3 more door prizes to give away. White tickets. Last 3 number.
Nice Corvette.
986.
Oh, Bel Air.
9.
Oh, look at that Fairlane. Mustang.
And 993.
That's a
993.
check out this Fairlane.
986. And
Wow.
999.
I like that paint job.
I also have
Oh, it's a Falcon.
to make
That's awesome.
Miller's Cafe in the Summit Mountain Mountaineer.
Oh, look at the Road
We
Runner.
have a car cruise in.
The little glasses on.
The 1-year anniversary. All proceeds is going to be donated to the Caleb Hawk family, I believe it is.
Ooh, there's an old Chevy.
Tragedy with this high waters and floods and everything.
Tractor.
So all the proceeds is going to Caleb family, and it's held at the Miller's Cafe on September 18th.
There's one Josh love.
I hold the money.
Okay, we have door prize tickets, 993, 986, and 999. Thank you.
Oh wow, he's got the cool headlights too. What's in it, a 350 or?
Oh, those are my friends.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It's nice. What year is it, like 75 or?
80.
80? Cool. Nice truck. Oh, look, spider webs on the hood of that. It's blown. That means it's fast. That's supercharged. Supercharged 3.8. Spider webs on the seat. There's spiders. Spider-Man hanging out in the dash. Go look at this old Ford. Old Chevy. That's pretty nice. Twin I-beam. Fancy PT Cruiser all hawked up. We gotta look at this one a little closer. Oh, it's still got the air conditioning. Wow. 289. Shit just keeps walking. Chevy. Sweet. Oh, this one's got 2 4-barrels. Bus Mustang. Oh, look at that. Hurst Olds. Oh, I was wrong. It's a Mach 1, not a Boss. What'd you find yourself, Cavalier? That is pretty cool. Oh, wow. Look, even got the flames on the Plenum and the valve covers. That is awesome. Girl parking only. It's a chick's car. Big wing.
Look at the back.
Look at the back. What's in the back? In the trunk or in the back seat? What's in the trunk? Oh yeah. Sweet. It's even got video monitors in there for some reason. Oh, look at that. Be nice to have one of those. It's an important rejected beast. Let's go look at this Volkswagen. It's cute. Oh man, look, don't even have an engine. Oh, we got a Ralph package. Oh, look at the chrome on the engine. 2,110 cc's. Just a little bit bigger than a crotch rocket. Oh, look at that. That's what you want to see in the trunk. Not so much that, but that. But all you see of this one, it's on the roads, them tail lights. Got some trophies there. That's a sweet car. I'm not speeding, I'm qualifying. Look at the size of them tailpipes. Diamond plate in the back of that.
Folks, can I have your attention, please? To my right, we're still having the bake sale. I'm going to be giving away 2 more door prizes today, right now. White ticket. Last 3 number. 994 and 998. Last 3 number white ticket. 994 and 998. And we also have some tickets available for our Savage Arm 243 Winchester we'll be giving away today. Come up to the DJ our tent and we'll be able to sell you a ticket. Thank you. Last 3 numbers, 994 and 998.
Car guy's got the right idea. Oh, I like how that's recessed in. Got a fire extinguisher. No nitrous, but oh, that's a capacitor for the audio. That way, when it hits really hard, it actually hits instead of cutting out. Look at that tailpipe. Teeny. What's in this? 6-cylinder? Yep. Original inline 6. Complete resto apparently. High torque 230. Sniff but don't scratch. Please do not touch.
I used to go to about everyone.
I know you want to look at this Mustang. Look at her roll cage in it. Alright, you ready? Oh, we gotta get a picture of this. 6s. That's a 409. That is a 409. See how the valve covers are? Offenhauser valve covers? Oh yeah, this is like the legendary motor.